Hey guys, you probably know that somebody's trying to be a pen pal with the judge in the Manson versus Evan Rachel Wood and Illma Gore case, right? Somebody started sending letters to the judge with what is believed to be accusations against Manson, further accusations, maybe involving people not in this case. Why would somebody do that, and why would they do it anonymously? I'm not sure about that. I mean, this judge had already ruled pretty much in favor of the defendants as she could on the motion to strike case getting ready to go up on appeal. How would you possibly be helping the people accusing Manson by trying to disrupt the case at this point? In fact, it's so far from that, you'd wonder if somebody trying to help Manson was doing it, but that doesn't make any sense either. It just doesn't make any sense. I know I've seen a lot of speculation about what this means for the judge, et cetera. And at one point, it looked like the letters were going to be published, but the letter writing campaign has continued, and I think that's not going to happen. Now, got some documents from the Manson cases. Check her out because she's, I'm sure, going to post up the original sources, which I think is always the best thing to look at. But I'm going to look at a stipulation at this point that we have because I think there's going to be another one. But still, this gives you some details about what's going on. Let's take a look at it. All right, so this is a joint stipulation regarding anonymous letters received by the court. Again, I think this is going to be supplanted with a new one, but originally they were going to publish these letters. You'll see they've changed their mind. All right, so all the parties, okay, Manson, Wood, and Gore stipulate as follows. In other words, they all agree. They had a meeting about the anonymous letters. They were conditionally lodged under seal by the court. And they continued that, but the court got a third anonymous letter on or around August 1st, 2023. And the parties understand that if the court continues to receive anonymous letters, the court may just throw them away without opening them. So now the parties have agreed to enter into a new stipulation regarding the letters received by the court, replacing the prior stipulation. The parties all agree, and remember, they don't agree on much, right? But here they do, that their July 19th stipulation is withdrawn. None of the parties will seek to unseal the letters received by the court to date. The parties stipulate and agree that should the court receive any additional similar letters, the parties consent to the court sealing or discarding such letters as the court deems appropriate, without the need for further status conference or notice to the parties. So that's the end game for the anonymous letters thing. They're not even going to have any meetings about it anymore. And they tell the court, like, if you want to just throw them away from now on, that's fine. And what did come in, that can stay under seal. And let's stop this, because talking about publishing them perhaps encouraged whoever's doing it maybe to keep on sending letters. And if you start throwing them away and all that, maybe it'll stop, and at least it won't matter anymore. So that it's very weird, of course, but a lot of weird things in the Manson cases. And I don't know more than this about it. And maybe this is all we're going to find out about it. Well, that's it. Thanks. Bye.